Hey, how's all guys? This is our back with another video. Today we're going to compare the video of Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the GoPro Hero 7. With that, we're also going to compare the video stabilization on both devices. So here we go. Both of them are on this tripod, but I'm just going to hold them side by side. So let's compare both of them. So I'm just walking in a straight line. Facing each other. Now focusing on me. Both cameras, the video stabilization is turned on. I'm just walking normally, without fancy leg movement, just walking normally. So now I'm going to run. It's just a running test. I like the video quality of the Samsung. It's more realistic and the colors are more vibrant. The cameras facing each other. And on me. For stabilization, I think you know which is the clear winner here. And I think, according to the screen, GoPro is doing a good job. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.